Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel WA Electronics. Today, we've got something special for all you DIY enthusiasts, electricians, and hobbyists out there. We're unboxing and reviewing the ANENG ST212 digital clamp meter. This budget-friendly clamp meter promises great features, accurate readings, and a compact design. But does it deliver? Let's find out. This is how the ANENG ST212 comes packed, and right off the bat, we can see it's got a sleek and compact design. Now, let's get it out of the box and dive into the details. All right, let's open it up. Inside the box, we've got ANENG ST212 clamp meter. The device itself, and it looks quite solid. Test leads, red and black, standard quality. Thermocouple sensor probes for temperature measurements. User manual, a simple manual, but important to get familiar with all the features. Carrying pouch, handy for portability. And that's pretty much everything that comes in the box. Simple but complete. Now, let's take a closer look at the clamp meter and go over its build quality and key features. So, the ANENG ST212 is a digital clamp meter with a compact design. It's really portable, making it easy to carry around. Let's quickly go over its main features. Clamp range. This can measure both AC and DC current up to 400 amperes with the clamp, which is useful for non-invasive current measurements. You don't need to break the circuit, just clamp it over the wire. Voltage measurements. It can measure both AC and DC voltage up to 600 volts, which covers a wide range of applications, from home electrical systems to car batteries. Resistance and continuity. You can measure resistance up to 60 mega ohms, and it also has a continuity buzzer, which is great for checking connections. Capacitance and frequency. This meter includes the ability to measure capacitance up to 60 millifarad and frequency up to 10 megahertz, so it's versatile enough for a lot of electronic work. Temperature measurement. An added bonus is temperature measurement, which comes in handy for checking components like transistors, or even testing ambient temperature with the included thermocouple. NCV, non-contact voltage detection. It has a built-in NCV function, allowing you to detect live wires without making contact, which is a nice safety feature. Backlit LCD and data hold. The display is backlit, making it easy to read in dim environments. The flashlight ensures clear visibility, and it has a data hold feature, so you can freeze the reading on the screen. Unlike many clamp meters that come with a rotary switch, the ANENG ST212 features buttons for mode selection. This gives it a sleek, modern look and makes it very user-friendly. Select button. This is the main button you'll use to cycle through all the different modes. Just press it to switch between AC current, DC voltage, resistance, continuity, and more. Press and hold for power on and off clamp meter. NCV button, dedicated to activating the non-contact voltage detection feature, which is great for detecting live wires quickly. Flashlight and data hold button. This dual-purpose button, if you press it once, the data hold function activate to freeze the current reading on the display. If you press and hold, it activates the backlit and flashlight on or off. The lack of a rotary switch makes it very intuitive. You simply select what you need with the buttons, and the device automatically adjusts the range and settings. This makes it super convenient, especially for beginners. In terms of build quality, the ANENG ST212 feels pretty robust. The plastic housing is durable, and the clamp mechanism feels smooth and solid. It's not heavy, but it feels substantial enough to handle day-to-day tasks without breaking easily. Now that we know what it's capable of, let's put it to the test. I've got a few different scenarios lined up to show you how this clamp meter performs. AC current measurement. Clamping test. As you can see, we're measuring the AC current of this heater, and the clamp meter is giving us a reading of 1.2 amperes. It's quick and responsive, with no hassle of disconnecting any wires. DC current measurement, clamping test. Now let's test DC current using the clamp. We've got this cable connected to a DC power supply, and the reading shows 1.5 amperes. This is a great feature for testing DC circuits or solar systems. Voltage measurement, AC and DC. Here we have an AC voltage test. The reading is spot on at 206 volts, which is exactly what we expected from our outlet. Now, let's switch over to DC voltage and test a 9-volt battery. Again, a very accurate result at around 9.1 volts. So far, it's doing great. Resistance measurement, resistor test. Now we'll test the resistance of this resistor. It's a 10 kilo ohm resistor, and the meter shows a reading of 9.85 kilo ohms, which is exactly what we expected. The response time is pretty quick, and it's easy to use for component testing. Capacitance measurement, capacitor test. Let's move on to capacitance measurement. Here I've got a 25 microfarad capacitor, and the ANENG ST212 shows a capacitance of 25 microfarad, which matches the label on the capacitor. It's perfect for testing capacitors in electronic circuits. Next, let's perform a diode test. I've connected the test leads to this diode, and as you can see, we get a reading of 0.59 volts. This means the diode is functioning properly, a quick and simple way to check if diodes are working correctly in a circuit. Next up, let's test continuity. I'm touching the two leads together, and we get a clear beep and visual indicator. The response is fast, which is great for troubleshooting circuits. Now for the real deal. We're going to live function test of the ANENG ST212. I've set the meter to live test, and we'll test this live circuit breaker. The ST212 provides clear audible and visual red indicators for live test. NCV, non-contact voltage detection. The NCV feature also works as expected. You can see the meter flashing and beeping as it detects voltage in this live wire. This feature is great for a quick safety check. All right, now that we've tested it, let's talk about the pros and cons of the ANENG ST212. Pros: affordable. One of the most affordable clamp meters out there with this range of features. Compact and portable, fits easily in your toolkit, and the carrying pouch makes it even more convenient. NCV and temperature measurement, added features that you usually don't find at this price point. Accurate readings. From my testing, it's been accurate with both current and voltage measurements. Backlit display and flashlight, a nice bonus for low light conditions. Button interface. Simplified button operation instead of a rotary switch makes it very beginner-friendly. Cons: limited to 400 amperes. If you need to measure higher currents, this might not be the right tool for you. Plastic build. Although sturdy, the all-plastic build might not feel as premium as more expensive meters. So, is the ANENG ST212 worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a budget-friendly clamp meter that packs a ton of features into a small package, This is a great choice. It's versatile, accurate, and perfect for anyone who needs a reliable tool for home or small professional projects. Whether you're an electrician, an electronics hobbyist, or just someone who likes to tinker around, this little device will definitely get the job done. If you're interested in picking one up, I'll leave a link in the description below. I hope you found this unboxing and review helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. If you have any questions about the ANENG ST212 or want to see more tests, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.